The 2009 Mercedes-Benz CL Class. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. And memory settings are one of many features. An included Carfax Vehicle History Report allows you to purchase with confidence and the knowledge that your buy was a smart choice. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, power steering. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: side airbag, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.